On 25th morning, all stations over Goa reported moderate rainfall. Highest rainfall was reported from Marmugao, which was 8 centimeters. That is the only station which reported heavy rainfall. Then Ponda reported 6 centimeters. Dabolim reported 5 centimeters. Ketwam and Sangam reported 4 centimeters each, and all the other remaining stations reported 2 to 3 centimeters of rainfall. Now, this rainfall makes the total state average rainfall for southwest monsoon season to a value of 412 centimeters. This 412 centimeters of rainfall is 41% higher than the normal value for this season up to now, and this is the highest seasonal total state average rainfall recorded as per the available data. Before this, the highest value of seasonal rainfall total was 408 centimeters, which was recorded in 1961. Then the third highest as per available data was recorded in 1970, which was 401 centimeters. Then it was in 2019, which was 394 centimeters. So in short, with almost 5 days remaining for monsoon season period to end, Goa's state average rainfall for southwest monsoon 2020 has already marked the highest value of rainfall as per the available data. I would like to again stress upon the term available data, because as on today we have 13 stations reporting rainfall daily, but in 1961 we had 5 stations which were reporting rainfall. So there is a difference in number of stations, but as per available data, 2020 becomes the southwest monsoon season which has reported the highest ever rainfall. Now, regarding the weather for coming 5 days, there is a trough that is passing from south Madhya Maharashtra across interior Karnataka. So this trough can provide light to moderate rainfall at almost all stations over Goa, and this possibility of isolated heavy rainfall, that means rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters, is possible at 1 or 2 locations over North and South Goa district. In coming days, that is from tomorrow onwards, there are no heavy rainfall warnings. There are no fishermen warnings from today onwards for the coming 5 days. We would request that public be updated from our website and as well as from social media platforms. In case there is any change in weather and warnings, that will be updated as and when available.